I have been using Glide pretty actively for several weeks now, and honestly, it's made me rethink how quickly you can turn data into something people can use. It's not perfect, but it's more capable than I expected. Glide is a no-code app builder that lets you take data, spreadsheets, tables, backend sources, and turn it into web apps and progressive web apps. You don't write traditional code. Instead, you visually lay out screens, bind data to components, set up logic and actions, and publish. It's designed to let non-developers build useful interactive apps without needing to manage servers or deployment. When I tried it, I started with a sheet of data, simple rows and columns, and set up Glide to treat that as my backend. Then I built a few screens, lists, detail views, forms. I linked components to data fields, added logic like on tap navigate or if field is empty, show a message. I tested workflows, sending emails, updating data, triggering actions. I played with filtering, user-specific views, and conditional visibility so parts of the app change based on user or context. Each time I made a tweak, I previewed it in real time. The speed of iteration was surprisingly good. What stood out? The ease of use. Compared to many no-code tools, Glide makes data binding and app logic feel intuitive, especially if you're used to spreadsheet thinking. It shines for internal tools, dashboards, CRMs, or places where you want to turn a table of items into something interactive quickly. The UI looks polished by default, and the built-in workflows and automation let you do more without needing external tools. Also, they've been advancing features like smart workflows, AI-assisted tools, and automation agents, so it's not stagnant, but there are trade-offs. Glide doesn't support native mobile app publishing to the App Store or Play Store. Your app runs in the browser and can be installed as a PWA. That limits reach and offline capabilities. Design flexibility is somewhat constrained. You often operate within Glide's design framework rather than full pixel-level freedom. For very complex apps with deeply nested logic, you may hit limits or find logic becomes cumbersome. As your user count or data complexity grows, performance needs attention. Also, pricing can escalate once you need advanced features, more storage, or more users. And since Glide is evolving, some users warn about shifting features, migrations, or roadmap uncertainties. I think Glide is ideal for makers, startups, small teams, and operations folks who need internal tools, prototypes, or data-driven apps quickly. If your app is more of a public-facing mobile product with heavy custom logic, you might stretch beyond what Glide is comfortable with. For me, Glide surprised me. It's not a silver bullet, but it's a powerful bridge between data and usable apps without reinventing the backend. It accelerates what you can build. If you want to go from a spreadsheet or table to something real people can use, and you're okay with web and PWA-oriented apps, it's absolutely worth exploring. So what about you? Would you trust a tool like this to build your next app? Or do you prefer building from scratch to keep full control? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.